Hi, I'm Max Staniszewski, NRF DEXT P-RALLY Team Coordinator. We are at the headquarters of NRF Poland. We are here for two reasons. We want to show NRF employees our rally car. Fourth place on the Dakar Rally is also their success. Secondly, we want to show you all the most important changes that allowed us to fight for the top places in Dakar Rally. Also with me, I have old radiator, which was installed in car we debuted in 2024 Dakar Rally. You will see how big changes we made in cooling system thanks to cooperation with NRF, which greatly improved our results in Dakar Rally. We already have the car on the lift. We will start with the chassis. The two most important changes are transmission and suspension. We equipped our 924 Surfari with a dogbox gearbox. What does this mean in practice? We have the ability to perfectly adjust the ratios for all gears to our needs. In this case, we have a very short first gear. Thanks to this, we are able to drive better in difficult terrain than four-wheel drive cars. In the suspension, two most important changes: the way they work and design of the control arms. The shock absorbers now works better thanks to new mounts. We decided to change the control arms from the steel to aluminum. Now they are lighter and more durable. Now we will move on the interior of our rally car. There have been a lot of interesting changes. A well-designed interior is also a very important part of rally car. In new design, we focused on clearly using for mechanics and good access to electrics. All the most important switches are close to the driver, and the navigation equipment mounts are allowed to control all the values on the displays without taking eyes off the road. Our rally crew, Tomek and Staszek, had two water tanks, 2 liters each. Also, they have two bidons with special drink based on honey and ginger, which gave them power on the special stages. I had the opportunity to drive this car almost 2,000 kilometers from the Dakar finish line to the port. It's really comfortable rally car, but noisy. Listen this rally machine sound. We have discussed interior. Now it's time to talk about what is under the bonnet of our 924 Surfari. In rallying, safety is very important, so we installed rally fasteners to quick access to the engine. Change in the regulations and our needs decided to change the engine to naturally aspirated. This 2.5 liter engine has 160 horsepower and torque right from the start. Thanks to this, the driving through the dunes is a pure pleasure, and there is no shortage of this on the Dakar. What we would like to focus on today is the cooling system. Together with NRF, we designed huge radiator that coped excellent with hardships of the Dakar Rally. We also have two fans from NRF catalog, which are silent heroes because you can see them at the first glance. This set gave us not only the ability to drive fast in high temperatures, but above all, peace of mind and confidence that we will reach the finish line. I told you earlier that I have old radiator which we used on the 2024 Dakar Classic when we debuted on this rally. Let's compare the differences between these radiators. First thing is dimensions. New radiator is 10 centimeters wider and 1 centimeter thicker. In order for it to fit in Porsche, we had to make special mounts in the chassis. It's known that without the air there is no cooling, so there have been a lot of changes too. In previous 924, the radiator was covered by all radiator and intercooler, and there was not so much space in the body for airflow. Here it's not a problem. We cut out every possible part from the body that could take away air access to the radiator. A specially designed plate also gives a lot of air to the radiator, but most important is that it's a heavy cover for the old chassis. Here was a big impact, but radiator is fine. I can already tell you that in the next edition of the Dakar Classic we will use the same car. Our 924 Surfari has proven in 100% it's practically ready for the next Dakar. Now it will be time for some mechanical service and tests. I think that we have a chance to fight for the podium or victory, of course with NRF. Dakar involving a huge amount of preparation time, but it's not only thing we do. Daily we are involved in building interesting projects based on Land Rover Defender and classic Porsches. The knowledge and experience which we have gained in cooperation with NRF give us the opportunity to develop other equally interesting projects which you will see on this channel. This project has a special meaning for me as I had the opportunity to debut on the Dakar Rally this year as our team coordinator. This is just a beginning of our wonderful Dakar project, so follow our social media, NRF Poland and P-RALLY team.